जैसे आप मेडिसिन सर्जरी के लिए एप्लीकेशन कर रहे हो, हर यूनिवर्सिटी के बारे में थोड़ा रिसर्च करना पड़ेगा, उसका कटअप क्या है थोड़ा उसके बारे में रिसर्च करना पड़ेगा, फिर उसको अलग करना पड़ेगा IMAT के लिए, नहीं तो बहुत डिफिकल्ट हो जाता है। Little bit about this building and this medicine and surgery campus. Can you little bit educate my viewers?
Like every place, if you take after like a certain time, it will be dangerous, right?
Yeah.
And all. So here it's the same thing. There are certain places where it's somewhat dangerous. Like the Mafia is basically this campus. After 10, 11, it gets a bit dangerous.
So like specifically any influencers for students coming try to be cool after 11 and 12 p.m. So sorry, one means
With
after
a couple
11.
of friends, not alone.
Not alone.
No.
So I would say like this is a bit old. Carabiners is very strict kind of things. They're like that. The ASEAN, let's talk about India, and Sri Lanka and Pakistan. Coming to any foreign city, they think that it's very cool and it's very they like subconsciously they never check. So what are the things you want to highlight so that if anybody coming, they need to think in that perspective so that they will not face any kind of trying bad things which will affect their physical or mental health. Immigrants like refugee or something like that.
Yeah, refugees. If you take the Garibaldi area, that's basically where all the refugees are there.
Okay.
That's why it's mostly unsafe.
So we are not trying to create fear inside your mind. We are simply trying to educate that. Don't take it for granted.
Yeah, don't take it. That's true.
Because if something will happen to you because you are living far from your family, so that things in Milan we never think like that perspective because Milan is an international city. तो आइए फिर हमारे वीडियो का शुरुआत करते हैं। हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय न्यू ब्लॉग। सो आज मैं आपको घुमाऊंगा यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ नापेल्स फेडरिको का जो मेडिकल कैंपस है, जो मेडिसिन एंड सर्जरी का जो कैंपस है वो आपको मैं थोड़ा विजिट करने वाला हूँ। तो मेरे साथ इंडियन स्टूडेंट्स हैं जो मुझे थोड़ा असिस्ट करेंगे कैंपस घूमने में। ये है एंट्रेंस में मैं भी खड़ा हूँ जिसको पार्किंग एरिया बोलते हैं स्पेसिफिकली। जैसे कि मेडिसिन एंड सर्जरी कैंपस में ज़्यादा थोड़ा सिक्योरिटी रहता है स्पेसिफिकली। तो यहाँ पे आप देख पा रहे होंगे सिक्योरिटी गेट वगैरह भी है। तो आइए फिर हमारे वीडियो का शुरुआत करते हैं। सो ये अभी एंट्रेंस है, एंट्रेंस पॉइंट है। तो इसके बाद हम एक एक करके विजिट करने की कोशिश करेंगे, देखते हैं क्या क्या कवर हम करते हैं। दिस इज समथिंग मेंशन ईदीफियो को 12, ईदीफियो को 13। दिस टोटल कैंपस इज लाइक मेडिकल कैंपस ऑफ नापेल्स फेडरिको। दिस इज द डायरेक्शन। जैसे आप मेडिसिन सर्जरी के लिए एप्लीकेशन कर रहे हो, ओके, तो आपको हर यूनिवर्सिटी के बारे में थोड़ा रिसर्च करना पड़ेगा, उसका कटअप क्या है थोड़ा उसके बारे में रिसर्च करना पड़ेगा, फिर उसको अलग करना पड़ेगा IMAT के लिए, नहीं तो बहुत डिफिकल्ट हो जाता है। और इनका इटली में क्या होता है, कैंपस मतलब बहुत स्कैटर्ड होकर रहता है। न्यूरोलॉजी का मेडिसिना लीगले डायटिस्टा कोलो न्यूरोचिरोजिया। आई थिंक न्यूरोलॉजी का डिपार्टमेंट इस साइड है। न्यूरोलॉजी डिपार्टमेंट में भी इन दिस साइड बिकॉज ऑफ दिस राइट। न्यूरोचिरोजिया। आई थिंक न्यूरोलॉजी का कैंपस इस साइड में है। इनका सबका लाइक इनका सबका सब सेपरेट डिपार्टमेंट होता है, जैसे कार्डियोलॉजी, न्यूरोलॉजी, राइट। सो आई नो सम ऑफ द मेडिसिन टर्म बिकॉज आई एम ऑल्सो फ्रॉम पैरामेडिकल बैकग्राउंड, दैट्स व्हाई आई कैन अंडरस्टैंड सम टर्म्स। सो मैं बोल देता हूँ कि ये है आयन और हिसान। ही इज फ्रॉम श्रीलंका बट ही लिव इन इटली। And one more thing, like he is going to start one consultancy, study abroad consultancy in Sri Lanka only, right?
Yeah.
Good thing. तो बहुत बड़ा कैंपस है, देखते हैं उसको कितना मिनट में हम कवर करते हैं। या जैसे मैं बोल रहा था कि आपको जो 16 यूनिवर्सिटी है उसका गो थ्रू कीजिए, गो थ्रू करने के साथ साथ में IMAT का पढ़ाई भी कंप्लीट कीजिए, सो दैट जब आप और यूनिवर्सिटी एप्लीकेशन में पहले से करके रखिए, सो दैट आप यूनिवर्सिटी एप्लीकेशन डेडलाइन आप मिस नहीं करेंगे। ओके, दैट इज़ द थिंग्स। अभी थोड़ा आज उतना सनी नहीं है, आज थोड़ा सा ठंडा ठंडा फील हो रहा है। तो अभी हम किस साइड जाएंगे? थोड़ा स्ट्रेट जाएंगे, थोड़ा लेफ्ट जाएंगे, मतलब ऐसे ही घूमना है कहाँ पे क्लासेस हो रहा है। थोड़ा बहुत टोटल कंप्लीट करेंगे, देखते हैं क्या क्या एक्सपेरिमेंट करते हैं, क्या क्या मिलता है हमें। तो यहाँ पे कैंपस इतना बड़ा है, लेकिन कि मैं स्पेसिफिकली तो ऐसा कुछ क्लासेस के नहीं, मैं थोड़ा ओवरऑल कैंपस टूर करवाने के लिए लाया हूँ, राइट। मुझे लग रहा है बहुत टाइम लग जाएगा शायद, लेकिन पास कैंपस बहुत ब्यूटीफुल है, आई वुड से। या इट्स बट ओल्ड, इट्स आई थिंक इट्स एन ओल्ड कैंपस। इंडियन एंशिएंट यूनिवर्सिटी। So you both are studying at Parthanapu, same course.
Same.
Okay, good. So actually they are from University of Parthanapu. Actually, one most important thing, whenever I use this camera for recording, people are like watching me like, what is it? Because this is a very small camera, okay? And specifically maximum all European, they never expose you with so much camera things, So whenever they see, maximum people ask me, what is this? Because this is kind of a pocket, right? This is a good sitting area inside. This is the Bank Intensa San Paulo. Paulo. So diagnostic morphology के लिए Austria या Aule. What is this building? This building looks like a gallery. This building looks like a gallery. Let me go inside and ask something. I think this is diagnostic medicine legal or something mentioned there. So now I am inside the medicine and surgery campus. So where are you from?
From here, from Napoli.
You?
Napoli, sì.
So he can explain us little bit about this building and this medicine and surgery campus. Can you little bit educate my viewers about the medical campus and medicine and surgery, the courses which is available in English language specifically?
Okay, actually we are physiotherapists, so this is not our really building. So we are from the other side, from number 12.
Okay.
We are doing exam right now.
Okay.
We are here from this morning at 11, and we got so many business was so hard, and we are just waiting the results of the exam. And
so you are doing the physiotherapy in Italian language?
yes,
Same, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so but do you have any idea about the medicine and surgery about Napoli? Because what I heard, this is the best university for medicine and surgery in Italy. Maybe number 3 or something.
Yeah, we are in Italy. We are very famous for our medical students and the preparation that we have here.
Okay. Thank you and thank you for your information.
thank you so much.
Grazie mille.
Prego.
Thank you so much.
So मैंने थोड़ा अभी मतलब मेडिसिन एंड सर्जरी का स्टूडेंट तो वो नहीं थे, वो फिजियोथेरेपी का स्टूडेंट, उनके साथ बात कर रहा था, क्योंकि इनका कहना था कि ये हर एक बिल्डिंग में डिफरेंट लेक्चर्स होता है, सो दैट आपको सारा बिल्डिंग एक्सप्लोर करेंगे तो आपको पता चलेगा। इट वॉज लाइक दैट। ओके, आई विल ट्राई टू एक्सप्लोर ऑल द बिल्डिंग। You will give me a tour of your campus? You will give me a tour of your campus?
Actually, it's not a good tour, actually. No, because this is an hospital, so you don't see really things. just department. So
Okay. Yeah, this is under University of Naples, Federico II.
this is the Frederick II. Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, that is. Like actually, there are there are many parts.
Mm-hmm.
Like this is the hospital. Sorry. So that is the big hospital. So you find everything here. But then if you want to change, like departments, I don't know, law, it's completely on the other side of the city.
Okay.
So it depends from what do you want to see. That's just an hospital.
Okay. So if actually in India, so we choose.
Which part of India?
I am from Odisha, from east
Okay.
part of India.
Okay.
So basically, Indian students choose the medicine and surgery courses which is available in English language. Okay, so they have to. Find,
I think that is hard here.
that is not here.
To be honest, I'm not sure,
Okay.
but I don't know. Maybe
But-
some master, maybe.
No. Actually, this is Polyclinico, right? This is
Yes.
Polyclinico. Okay, yeah.
Yes.
Okay, again, thank you very much.
And
You are a good guy.
thank you so much.
Ciao.
Ciao, ciao.
So अभी हम थोड़ा बहुत घूमेंगे पॉलीक्लिनिक और कहाँ पे है स्पॉट, तो फिर हम निकलेंगे. दिस इज द डर्माटोलॉजी क्लिनिक, लाइक दिस मे बी जो स्किन का होता है वही है. तो अभी हमारे साथ और एक स्टूडेंट ज्वाइन किए हैं, आयुष्मान जी. Carabineri Polyclinico, like this is the I think police station for Polyclinico. This is the map also, like endocrinology, technology, informazione, systematically informativo. So actually in the website you will find the information of where your classes is going on. Maybe like you can find the right building number, so you can go there directly. Yeah, definitely. We will go to the top. So should we go first the top, then we will go this way?
This way,
Okay, definitely. And we will take some pictures. Okay. All are living in the Naples, so today I will show them Naples. Okay, did you understand? So Naples is safe?
So the thing, it depends. Like every place, if you take after like a certain time, it will be dangerous, right?
Yeah.
Not and all. So here it's the same thing, but in Naples there are certain places where it's somewhat dangerous.
So, sir was asking me that he wants to go to Scampia.
Scampia.
What's your opinion?
Like
You better go before 5.
No, what will happen is, I told Scampia, if he walks around with the camera, they'll steal it and everything.
Yeah, because like it's said that like the mafia is basically in the
Ciao.
Scampia side. Like the mafia is basically the Scampia side. That's what they say.
Okay.
So like it's a bit unsafe over there because that's like the rural parts of Naples.
Okay.
Most rural parts of Naples.
That means you cannot roam around the city after 12?
Not city.
Like it's not a city. It's like basically you can. It's like sort of like a village.
Okay.
Scampia side is like that.
Okay.
What about Naples?
Naples in general. Like Naples in general, yeah, you can, but like I said earlier, like after 10, 11, it gets a bit dangerous over there.
So like specifically any Indonesian students coming to Naples, don't try to be cool after 11 and 12 p.m. So sorry, one
Better
means
go out
after
with a couple
11.
of friends, not alone.
Not alone.
Not
Okay.
alone. With a
So
group.
now we are 4, right? That means we can travel after midnight.
Yeah, with a couple of friends. Yeah, it's better like you take care of your own safety.
Yes. Okay, let's go to the other side.
So, sir, compared to all the medical campuses you have been to, how is the medical campus of Federico II?
So I would say like this is a bit old, old campus and old building, and it's very scattered. Like you won't find everything in one place. but in general, Italy, it's happened like maximum the university they also follow this route. But if something is new building, like I have been to Bari. Recently, I visited to Bari. Their building is a little bit inside everything, so you won't find the street inside the campus. But here, you will find the also connection of the street inside the campus. Generally, it happens in Italy because this is the old one, right? Okay, but the meanwhile, try to show the views. This is a very good view, right? As you can see, this is a very, very good view of Naples from the top. Yeah, and every what I say that in every medical campus there you will find a carabinieri. You know what is carabinieri? This is the I would say
Police.
no. There is two police. One is policia and one is carabinieri. Carabinieri is like the quick response kind of thing, like a central police or something like that. Maybe you can say I don't know, but carabinieri is very strict kind of things. They're like that. So tell me something about Napoli, so
Yeah.
that whenever people are selecting, so students are selecting Napoli
Yeah.
for their higher studies, not like medicine, like anything, because there are one university, Napoli Federico, right? Federico II.
Secondo.
So it's a very big university.
Yeah, Federico II has there are locations in every different places,
Yeah.
and also for each let's say each field you choose, they have a different campus. Right?
Okay.
That's Federico.
But the main thing, like when specifically ASEAN, let's talk about India,
Yeah,
Sri Lanka,
yeah.
and Pakistan, coming to any foreign city, they think that it's very cool and it's very they subconsciously
Yeah.
they never check the city's crime and everything.
Oh.
They think maybe suppose I'm talking about from the India, they think okay, India is very dirty, and if I'll go to Italy, that means everything is good. There is no bad.
That's not the reality. Believe me, that's not the reality.
That's not the reality,
That's
right?
not the reality. Yeah.
So you have to think, and what are the advice you want started because you are the local, like you born here, right?
Yeah, yeah.
So what are the things you want to highlight so that if anybody coming to Napoli,
Yeah.
they need to think in that perspective so that they will not face any kind of crime or any kind of how to say that, any kind of bad things which will
Okay.
affect their physical or mental health.
Okay. So basically, when you're moving, let's say any country if you're moving to Naples, you are coming in as a foreign student, right?
Yeah, yeah.
So you should know that you're living not in your home country but in a different place.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
they have a set of rules which you should adhere to.
Yeah, yeah.
So if you're coming to a different, if you're coming to Naples, you should come with a plan, with a straight plan.
Okay.
Because if you come, just to see, if you want, say you want to experience living out of home, living in a new city, then Naples is not your place. Because you have to plan, you have to find you have to find a place to stay, you have to see a month, if you're working in some place, you need your monthly expenses and all. So to cover all of those, you have to come with a straight and clear plan. Also, because since Naples specifically, if you take, Naples is a place where you have people with different ethnicities all in one place.
Okay, okay.
So staying in Naples, you have to adhere to all of those. You have to be able
Okay,
to talk with everyone.
just clarify me in the crime perspective, like in the security perspective specifically, because I was living in Milan.
Okay,
Milan is quite different,
quite different. Yeah.
and Rome is quite different. Okay.
Because Milan is basically you can take as a central area of Italy.
Yeah. So we can go this way.
But Naples is where it's, how do I say it in a way?
So that means we can get one conclusion that if you are coming to Naples, try to do some Google research. Which area do you need to live?
Yeah.
Like you cannot live in every area of Naples.
No.
It's not safe.
Because when you even take Naples, there are places where that's safe and there are people, they take rich people. And also there are places where it's all the
Immigrants like refugee or something like that.
refugees. If you take the Garibaldi area, that's basically where all the refugees are there.
Okay, okay.
That's why it's mostly unsafe for
And what
I mean,
about
illegal immigrants, you can say.
illegal immigrants.
Okay, got it. Okay, so that means we are not scaring you at all. Okay, so we are not trying to create fear inside your mind. We are simply trying to educate that
Giving you the
don't take it for granted.
Yeah, don't take it for granted. That's true.
Because if something will happen to you because you are living far from your family, so that things like in Milan we never think like that perspective because Milan is an international city. This is very good view, that we can take some look on that. Okay, as you can see, this is very different kind of things. What we are discussing that actually if you are coming to Naples it's safe, but the conclusion is you have to think where you are staying, which part of Napoli you are going to stay. That is I think that is the things, right? Because so many Indian students are also studying here. It's not like that so much unsafe. Don't get don't try to receive it in negative way. So actually मैं आया था नापेल्स फेडरिको घूमते घूमते मुझे और एक कैंपस मिल गया, यूनिवर्सिटी देगली स्टूडी डेला कैंपानिया LV। यहाँ पे भी मेडिसिन एंड सर्जरी का कोर्सेज भी रहता है। ये कोविड सेंटर है, एवरीथिंग। सो अभी मैं ब्लॉग को यहीं पे ख़त्म करता हूँ। तो स्पेसिफिकली आप जैसे एग्जाम्पल में आपको बोलूँगा कि आप नापोली में 2 कैंपस आपको मिलेगा मेडिसिन एंड सर्जरी के लिए। एक है नापेल्स फेडरिको 2 एंड वन इज यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ कैंपानिया LV, वहाँ पे ही मिलेगा। तो इसी हिसाब से आप कोशिश कीजिए आपका लिए कौन सा कैंपस सही रहेगा, तो आप उसमें ट्राई कीजिए। और आपको रिगार्डिंग MBBS इन इटली स्पेसिफिकली कोई इन्फॉर्मेशन चाहिए तो आप कॉलिंग को मतलब कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं, जिसमें मेरा टीम के साथ आप कनेक्ट होंगे। आप मेरे साथ डायरेक्टली कनेक्ट नहीं होंगे, मेरे टीम के साथ कनेक्ट होंगे। तो हमारी टीम इसके मतलब MBBS इन इटली के लिए बहुत सालों से काम कर रहे हैं। हमारा बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स भी हैं जो इटली में पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं, तो आपको अच्छे से गाइड करेंगे। और अभी क्योंकि हर साल उनका कुछ ना कुछ इन्फॉर्मेशन चेंज होता है, ओके, तो इसीलिए वो अपडेट इन्फॉर्मेशन के साथ आपको गाइड करेंगे। और कुछ आपको क्वेश्चन भी है आपके दिमाग में, आप कमेंट बॉक्स में ज़रूर बताइए, तो मेरी टीम कमेंट बॉक्स में आपको रिप्लाई भी करेंगे। तो मैं वीडियो को यहीं पे एंड करता हूँ। थैंक यू, सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट ब्लॉग और नेक्स्ट पॉडकास्ट।